Hey team, how you doing? And happy Tuesday. This talk is inspired by a client who was finding it difficult to stay on track during the weekend. So I thought, really common, you guys, so common. So I thought, well, why don't we talk about tips and ways we can stay on track and we don't feel restricted. And my very favorite, I'm going to share a bunch of things, and because I think different tips work for different people, and you can incorporate more than one in your life. My favorite one is at the very end, and it's the one I use, so stay tuned. Um, Now, sometimes I've experienced things where clients don't know if it's the weekend or not. Like they're not sure. They just know their fat loss has plateaued. They feel like they're doing really well. They act a little bit different on the weekend, but they don't think that it's going to change their results that much. So, what we do to test it, and if you're in this boat, you can run this test. Take your measurements on Friday and again on Monday, and you'll soon see if there's a pattern of fat loss through the week and weight gain over the course of the weekend. Now, I'd suggest you do it for more than one weekend, right? You want two or three to confirm your data. And I'll say, and like when you hit maintenance, that's a good place to be where you lose through the week and leave a little bit extra for the weekends to be with your friends and do fun things. But if you are in a fat loss phase, then it can stall you quite easily. Okay. And I mentioned this last week too, I think. Typically, when we're in a fat loss protocol, we are allowed one cheat meal per week, not a day, not three cheat meals, so on. So, here's some tips, and some of it you guys are gonna go, yeah, I know, but it's good to hear the reminder, I think. Like prep, plan and prep. Okay, so you know you're going out on Saturday night with friends. Maybe you pull back a few calories through the earlier in the day to allow a little bit more in the evening. Stay hydrated, super important. I talk quite a bit about water, and sometimes we misdiagnose hunger. It's actually thirst. So keep yourself hydrated. Another thing you might want to do, particularly say you're out at a restaurant, well, this is a good tip anytime. Eat slower, okay? It's really quite hard to do, and I would guarantee you, and I don't often say I will guarantee anything, but I would guarantee you if you slow down, you will eat less. I've done it myself. Because it takes the body 20 minutes or the gut 20 minutes to signal the brain, I'm full. And so if you're eating and you're already full, you definitely overeated. But if you slow down, you will eat less calories. Put your fork down between meals. Really focus on that food. What spices can you taste? Can you taste the salt in it? What textures do you feel? How does it smell? Slow down and you'll eat less. Watch your alcohol intake, no shock there. Our bodies really didn't evolve to metabolize alcohol well. So if you could consider that we're thousands of years old, alcohol was only distilled or invented or created a few hundred years. So our body recognizes fat with 9 calories a gram. It recognizes protein and carbs with 4 calories a gram. Alcohol has 7 calories a gram, and the body doesn't really recognize it. So when it comes in, we know it's a toxin. The liver is going to metabolize that and try and detox the body and get that out of your system. So while whatever you're eating with the alcohol is probably going to fat stores because your body's busy metabolizing the alcohol. Keep your exercise scheduled. Now, I'm not a big cardio girl, but typically, like over the holidays or the weekend, if I'm overeating, I will do a little bit more cardio just to burn off some more calories. Prioritize your protein. I talk about this all the time. It helps keep you full. You may eat less if you eat more protein. And set your limits, right? So you're going out with friends, allow yourself a dessert or a drink, or one drink, not two. You get the idea. I always like to say, take less than you want. That's the one I use. Yeah, I want 3 glasses of wine, I'll have one or two. Okay. Now, here's the caloric hack you can use. And then I do this personally. Talk to your coach. I mean, this is kind of generalized. Everyone is different. This might not apply to you, but your coach can help you out if you want to try this out. So what I'll do is I'll save my calories through the week, kind of, because it's all about averages. Like when we give you a caloric target, it's the average for the day, average for the week. So say my caloric target is 1800 and I know I'm going out this weekend or I got a trip coming up, whatever. I can change my calories Monday to Friday to allow more calories on the weekend and still get 1800 as my average. So let's say Monday to Friday, I'm going to eat 1450. I'm going to reduce my calories to 1450. And then on the weekends, I'm going to allow myself 1700 on the 2 days. So if I calculate the average of that, it comes out to, I think I did the math wrong. I'm sorry, you guys. I did the math wrong. But you get the idea. Like you can save calories so that your average is still your 1800 calories. And then that doesn't give you, I'm not trying to promote like a free for all. You're still going to eat your veggies, get your fiber, avoid your alcohol, but it still gives you a little bit more calories for going out or whatever. So let me know if you've got questions. I hope this helps somebody. I hope you guys have a great week. If you post questions in the comments, tag me so I don't miss them. And I look forward to talking to you guys through the week and next Tuesday. Have a good one.